Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
How many people are in your family? There are 4 people in my family. We live together happily. Who is the closest person to you in your family? My mother is the closest to me. I share everything with her. What do you like doing with your family? We like watching movies together. It is our favorite weekend activity. Do you live in a joint family or a nuclear family? I live in a nuclear family. It is small but very loving. How often do you eat meals together? We eat dinner together every night. It is the best time for family talk. What does your father do? My father is a businessman. He works very hard. What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. She loves her job. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have one younger brother. We play and study together. Do you celebrate festivals with your family? Yes, we celebrate all festivals together. It makes us feel connected. What makes your family special? We always support each other. That makes our family strong and happy.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.